What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another sick ass video. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video. We're gonna, as you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing a quick review on the Simpsons Ghost Bandit helmet. Thank you guys for tuning in. This video's been highly anticipated. You guys been killing it on the comment section. And also the helmet unboxing and first ride, I'll link it up here. That video's been going crazy, so I'm sure everybody's interested in the Ghost Bandit. We'll see how it goes. I had this helmet for about, I would want to say like a year now, and I put about let's see, at least about 6,000 miles, if not more. And so far I have no complaints. A lot of people, they do say that it catches a lot of wind, especially when you're going high speeds or whatever. That hasn't been my issue, and the reason why I don't feel a difference if I get air or not coming in, it's because I got my AirPods Pro. So I really don't complain about the air coming in because I really can't feel it. A lot of people have those intercoms or whatever you want to call it on their helmets, so it's a speaker setup. So obviously you get to know if a lot of wind comes in or not, because your ears are not plugged. Obviously everybody likes the style of the helmet. Ever since I seen the Simpson helmet, automatically I wanted it. I like it a lot. Obviously every helmet you want to switch, it comes with different lenses, so you can switch them up. I went with the gold kind of mirror look. I had the black one when I did the unboxing and first ride. I liked it, but it seems like it wasn't dark enough. It wasn't that tinted, so I went with the gold one. And the gold one looks pretty cool because I can match the forks that I have on the bike. So right now I'm kind of going slow, going through traffic right now. I might pick up a new sissy bar. Stay tuned for that. Things that I like about the Simpsons helmet: the quality of it, cushion, the cheek pads, they're badass. Like a normal helmet, I wouldn't want to compare it with the Shoei 1200 as far as the cheek pads. So it's comfortable. You want to go one size down. It's lightweight. It's not too heavy. It's heavier than my last helmet. And sorry if you guys can't really hear me. I'm not even going that fast on the freeway. That'll be another thing I could talk about. I did say that in the beginning of the video, talking about the air coming in. It's pretty lightweight. It's not too heavy. Even though I'm coming from a lighter helmet, I used to have the AGV Pista full carbon helmet. That helmet was one of my favorites, especially because of the style of riding I was doing. I had the sports bike, I had the R1, but this one's you could get used to it. I don't have a big ass head and shit, but I don't feel it heavy at all, so that's what I like. So it's pretty lightweight. Sorry if this video doesn't make sense or if I'm off topic. This is my honest opinion as far as having the helmet for at least a year. Things that I don't like about the helmet, I can't really complain. Maybe the inner lens the visor that comes down. That's one thing that I didn't like, especially riding in high speeds. And you want to have your lid up, the front visor. Like, you get a lot of air coming into your eyes, so it's not really that good for high speeds, if you ask me. Let me just get over here really quick. So that's one thing I don't like about the Simpsons Ghost Bandit, just the inside lens. It's hard for me to get used to it. I feel like the inner lens, it kind of like stops right in between my eyes. But yeah, I really don't like the lens. Maybe riding on the street, but I couldn't get used to it. That's the only thing I dislike. Comment down below, let me know if you guys ride with the inner lens, or whatever you want to call it. Let me know what you guys think about the Simpsons Ghost Bandit, because that's one thing I really don't like. Can't really talk bad about the helmet. I like it. Style, looks, the quality of the helmet that Simpsons make, really cool. I like it. It's not cheap. I think it's worth it. It's worth the price that they're asking for. I forget how much I paid for it. I mean, compared to my other AGV Pista, you guys know how much those run for. This one's not that expensive. But yeah, let me show you the inner visor here. I even switched it to the black one. Well, it's not that even dark, but I don't even bring it down. They're easy to install. They're not too bad. So we're gonna ride with it. I feel fucking like dumb having it down, but oh well. Just want to show you guys, maybe for like hot weather. Like today was pretty hot and we're still in winter. You can catch some cool breeze and shit. Get some air running in through your helmet. But like I said, that visor stops right in between my eyes, so it's hard to see. I really don't. Oh shit! What the fuck was that? Water. I really don't like it, like on the freeway. So I never use it. I never use it. So I just put my fucking lens down. That's how we run it. Yeah, this bitch is getting hot. I feel it. But yeah, hopefully this video is being helpful. If you guys are thinking about switching over to a Simpson Ghost Bandit, if you guys are really thinking about switching, oh fuck, my shoe's fucking wet. If you guys are thinking about switching over, I really like it. A lot of people compare it to the Shoei 1200. My girlfriend's gonna be doing a review on her helmet, so stay tuned for that. Me too, I'll do it too, my guy. My girlfriend's gonna be doing one too on the channel, so we'll see how it goes with her review. What else can I say about the Simpsons Ghost Bandit? Fuck. If you guys got any question, comment down below. I'll help you guys out. We're on our way to Plantain Beach Harley. I'm gonna pick up something. Stay tuned for the unboxing. Let me know in the comment section, how is the wind noise coming into the helmet, and if it you can hear the wind through the mic. Let me know. I always feel like I'm talking a little bit too loud, but like I said, I can't really hear myself because I got my AirPods, and I really like it. I'd rather prefer use the AirPods than to fucking have an intercom with speakers. That's just my opinion. But I do want to try the Lexan intercom. want to give it a try, but I'm so used to my AirPods. That I really wouldn't want to switch or buy anything else. But let's not get off topic. I'm still trying to give you guys my honest opinion about the Simpsons Ghost Bandit. I got it in a matte black. I like it. I wanna, if I ever end up getting another helmet, I wanna get the carbon fiber. I wanted a white one, but that was if I was gonna get a different bike, which I'm not gonna get anything else anytime soon. I got different plans right now, but I'm gonna stick with the lowrider, with the Dyna right now. I'm just gonna thug it out. I've only had it for a year, but it's all good. Another thing, the sun's going down. Let's see. The lens is not too dark. I can still see. I don't know. I just feel like I don't want to be throwing shit out there just for you guys to like feel like you made the right decision, and then later on you feel like I spoke highly about it and then you guys don't like it. That's just my honest opinion about the helmet. But hopefully you guys like the video. I know you guys love the Simpsons Ghost Bandit, so I wanted to do a small review for you guys. Woo, feels good. I wanted to do a small review for you guys to give you my opinion about the Ghost Bandit. If you guys are thinking about it, just go for it. You guys will thank me later. A lot of people do complain about the wind noise. That's one thing that I haven't had a problem with, because like I said, I have AirPods and it blocks all the wind noise. But if you guys want, I can do part 2 and answer any questions you might have about the helmet. If I didn't answer anything that you were kind of expecting for me to answer, or if you guys didn't hear what you guys wanted to hear about the helmet, comment down below. Maybe I can do a part 2. But for now, that's a small review. Hopefully you guys like it. Stay tuned for more. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for everybody that's been subbing. You guys are the best. You guys motivate us to do more videos. But yeah, stay tuned for more. We're here at the Harley dealership. I will be doing an unboxing on what I got and why I got it, so stay tuned for that, guys. So that's pretty much it for the review. I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys ride safe, and thank you guys for watching. Peace, my guys.